All of us in this world doing some or other things for a reason. If there is no reason, there is no joy of doing it. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that can add meaning to your life. It's a Japanese concept that means reason for being. The word refers to having a meaningful direction or purpose in life. If you're a student, you are a teacher, or you are in any profession, if you can discover the ikigai of your life will be filled with joy, money, reputation, and whatever is required by you and the society. So, the word refers to having a meaningful direction or purpose in life, constituting the sense of one's life being made worthwhile with action that's spontaneous and willing, taken toward the achieving one's ikigai, resulting the satisfaction and sense. You have a logo for it. Four circles depict the four dimensions of your life. You love something, you are good at something, you can be paid for something, and something is required. Wall. So something that required to the world and you can be paid for, that's your vocation. Similarly, what you love and what actually the world require, that's your mission. What you love and good at, the intersection point is the passion. Similarly, you have a profession that you may not love it and the world doesn't require it, but you are good at, you are paid for it. But when you combine these four things, you can discover the ikigai of your life. There, instance, there is an island called Okinawa Island, Japan. People live not only in terms of age, but a content, happy, peaceful, the epitome of life actually is there. Not only the Okinawa Island, there are so many places in the world. Those have the clear ikigai or reason of being in their life. They can live a contented life. So there are 10 rules of ikigai. So you can see the people of Okinawa Island living in a joyful state, dancing together. The first rule of ikigai is you have to stay active without any retirement. So you have to be busy every time. There is a no age called retirement. If you retire, your brain and body start collapsing. Take it slow. Take everything in your life in a slow manner and not with a rapidity, or don't be in haste. Don't fill your stomach. In the Bible, there is a concept called gluttony, means you should not eat too much at a time. So do not fill your stomach. Surround yourself with good friends. That's create your ambience. Get in shape for your next birthday. Means you should be very careful about your health. Exercise, walk, smile. Reconnect with the nature. That will fill your life with automatically with joy and smile. Give thanks. Thanksgiving is an art. Live in this particular moment and follow your ikigai. So ikigai is a concept and it has a logo that can add meaning to your life. For example, if you're a student, suppose you do not know why to study. So first discover what you love and what actually world needs. For example, for a teacher, he loves teaching and world requires at this moment good quality education so that it can create a beautiful future of the nation. If he paid for that and if he's good at, so that is the ikigai of his life. Suppose you are an artist, the world needs beautiful architecture creation, you can be paid for that, you are good at, you love it, so for that person art is ikigai. So where the passion, mission, vocation and profession intersect. But in most cases what happens, people live outside of their ikigai, means they're good at something but they love something, but actually the thing that is not required by the world. So this part, satisfaction but feeling of uselessness. You are doing something that is not required by the world. So you are in a state of a uselessness. Similarly, you are in this direction, this domain, comfortable but feeling of emptiness because you do not love it. So profession and vocation, this part is there, but you do not love it. So there will be a state, a feeling of emptiness in your heart. Similarly, if you are not good at something, though you love it, world needs and you can be paid for it, excitement and complacency, but sense of uncertainty because you are not good at those things. So there will be a sense of uncertainty. Similarly, you have one part, delight and fullness, but no wealth because you are not paid for that. You are good at something, you love something, but you are not paid for that, though it is required by the world. So this part, you will be having no wealth. So there is no reason to do it. So the intersection point that give you money, fame, reputation, it will feel your passion, mission, vocation, and profession. This is your ikigai that we have to discover. The concept of ikigai has been purported to have influenced the extending life expectancy of the Okinawa people, but due to many birth and death record, they believe that no, not only the Okinawa island, there are so many places that could be there, so that they might not be having extended life expectancy. It is also in some places in India, especially Kerala. So what they the summarize the thing, if you have a clear goal in your life, if you can live life with a purpose, your expectancy lifespan will increase and the reason for being you in this world will be a fruitful. Thank you for listening. Try to discover your ikigai. What is your ikigai? Write down in the comment section. If you are a student, it will definitely help you to discover your ikigai. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much. Have a good day.